This might sound somewhat crazy, but you can actually make money using TikTok ads and TikTok Shop affiliate without spending any of your own money. Proof. This is how much TikTok has been paying me over the last couple of months. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but I'll drop some screenshots as well. I'm also going to show you my proof of results within a data analysis tool called Shop Plus as well, so you can have further reassurance that this guy knows what he's talking about. He's not just pulling screenshots of other people's results. I'm going to tell you my story in this video, how this came about. For even more proof, within Shop Plus here, which is a tool that you can use to spy on TikTok Shop affiliate, this is actually my profile before, and as you can see here, this is how much revenue I've generated on this account. And of course you can see the percentages of earnings that I've made as well, from which I've shown you at the beginning of this video for credibility. And just so you can see that this is definitely me, I'm going to click on one of the videos. There I am. I'm going to click on another video. There I am. And I'm going to click on a third and final video. This one is a duet. And there I am. And by the way, you can also create TikTok Shop affiliate videos by duetting. It doesn't have to be your own original video, but we'll circle back to that. So let me tell you my story. I obviously went through the whole sign up, created a TikTok Shop affiliate account. The first thing that I want you to make a note of is on this account, I have 500 followers. I don't have 1,000 followers, which is the minimum requirement here in the United Kingdom. And the reason why I'm mentioning that is there is a workaround to the 1,000 followers. And as you can see, not only did I start an account, but I also made money off this account, even though it didn't have 1,000 followers. The workaround is you sign up as a TikTok Shop rather than a TikTok Shop affiliate. Once you do that, you'll have the features to also become a TikTok Shop affiliate from zero, from when you start. It's not very clear how TikTok is feeling about this at the moment. Some people are saying you get banned or you get, shadow banned once TikTok picks up on that. Some people are saying it's fine. I don't know. In my own experience, it's worked, as you can see clearly, so it is a bit of a risk, but if you want to try the workaround from 0 followers, you certainly can. Having started this account, obviously delivered a ton of content. The way that I started was using stuff that I have around the house. So I looked around and saw what I already have rather than trying to source stuff that's on TikTok Shop. So that's the number one key. Get started. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just take those first steps. And then once I saw what I've got and that it's also available on TikTok Shop, then I've got products that I can start talking about straight away, which is what I then did. Now you can see on some of these videos, I'm also using green screen. Good thing about using green screen is you don't have to have the product in hand. Ideally, you want to have the product, but even if you don't have the product in hand, in my own experience on this account, as long as TikTok sees that the product that you're talking about is showing on the green screen and that you're given the right information, I've never really been pulled up on that. So started experimenting, trying different video styles, and eventually I landed onto this video here. Now I'm going to get to the bit about TikTok ads in just a second. So if I click on this video, as you can see, it's a duet with a lady promoting apple cider vinegar gummies. I don't do a whole lot in this video. I'm literally just walking around. She's doing all the talking. Obviously, as duets usually go, I have actually got the product in hand, so the TikTok AI can see that with stage stagnant for a while, picked up a couple of views, nothing major. So the video started to pick up traction and they were like, let us support this video with ads. The shop paid for ads, but this is the clever part. This is where the ads come in. The actual shop which sells the apple cider vinegar then saw that the video was picking up traction on TikTok. They advertised the video on TikTok with their own money. The benefits of doing this as a shop is they are going to get more eyeballs on this video that is promoting their product. Number 2, benefits to TikTok. Obviously, TikTok is getting money for the ads, but the key thing that I'm highlighting, which ties to the title of this video, is as the creator, so you and me, as the person that's created that video or duet or whatever it is, I am going to get more commission from this because you've now got a situation where more people are seeing this video, more sales are coming in, and therefore more commission is coming in. And that is what led to the figure that I've mentioned, which is around $50 a day or thereabouts as a TikTok Shop affiliate. So you are the affiliate. you've got a video, the video starts to pick up traction on the algorithm, the shop pick up that the video is gaining some traction on the algorithm, they push the video even further with ads, they get more sales, you also get more commission. And this is how you can utilize TikTok ads in order to absolutely print money as a TikTok Shop affiliate. So the key thing to take away here is, once you start as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you need to make sure that ads are switched on onto your account. So this is you authorizing the business to advertise the video. So a warning, if you're someone that's very private, once they do this, it does obviously mean that more people are going to see the video. Therefore, more people are going to see your face. Me, I didn't really care. But if you're someone that doesn't want people to know that you're doing this and you just want to keep it private, you can consider creating a faceless channel. I've had shops come to me and say, can you make sure that your ads are switched on this video? What's the ad code for this video? And that will be a completely different video that I'll do, by the way, how to get all of that set up. But it's very, very easy, by the way. It literally takes about 2 seconds to set up. And TikTok themselves do ask you, the app does ask, as you start doing these videos, do you want to turn this setting on? The moral of the story is, again, make sure that ads are switched on your TikTok Shop affiliate videos. That way, if your video randomly starts picking up traction on the algorithm and it starts going viral, then the shop will be able to pay from their own pockets to promote the video, which then means, this is the video here, by the way. If I even get out of my own profile here, you can see other creators that are benefiting from this. I'm just going to go to the United States. Let's look at what's trending this week. Top sales. If you go into that first one, that nasal stick thing, and if you go into relevant videos within the product detail page here, you'll notice some of these videos have ad on them. Look at the third one, that's got ad. Look at the fifth one, that's got ad, and so forth and so forth. Another one. These are businesses that are paying for these videos to be promoted. They're paying TikTok ads so more people see these videos. And if you look at this product carries 25% commission. So this one here, they would have made 25% off that amount, 67,000. This one here, they would have made 25% off 113,000 off the top of my head. That'll be somewhere close to 30,000 as commission, take-home commission. And all because they have switched on ads and allowed shops to promote their product. Would you like me to create a video talking about how to switch this setting on, by the way? Please comment yes if you do, and I will go ahead and get the video created. My hope is that you, as a new TikTok Shop affiliate or someone that's considering jumping into becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate while it's still available, we don't know how long it's going to be available for with what's happening. I hope you can learn from this and use this for your own experience, and hopefully you can make much more money than I did.